So over here you can see that I am in the develop module, and now let's say what I want to do is work around with camera calibration for this particular image. In that case, I can go around and expand the calibration option right here, just like this, and you can see that I can go ahead and use different processing right here and choose different versions for the final processing. So here what I can do is I can work around with the primary colors. Like let's say for example, I can change around the red right here to go ahead and make it much more yellow or make it much more pink right here, just like this. You can go ahead and work around with the saturation of the red right here. So you work with red, green, and blue, which are the primary colors that you have. So if I were to go around over here onto hue, then you can see that that is what you have for the green, and you can work around with the saturation similarly for that as well, and then work around with the blue for that as well. So this is simply how you can work around with the camera calibration right here. You can go ahead and choose different versions of process right here, just like this, and this is when you make the final touch after you go around and make all of the changes as necessary. So that is how you can work around with camera calibration inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.